Most people get frustrated when an Amazon promo code doesn't work, but here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the code is not broken. It's just being used the wrong way or on the wrong item. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is retrying the same code again and again without checking eligibility. That usually leads to wasted time, and sometimes even missing better discounts. In this video, you'll learn exactly why Amazon promo codes stop working in 2026, and how to fix it step by step so your discount actually applies at checkout. Let's start with the most common issue. Promo codes are always tied to conditions. That means not every code works on every product. If you try to apply a code on an ineligible item, it will fail instantly. Now here's where most people go wrong. They copy codes from websites without checking expiry dates. Many promo codes are time-limited or region-specific. So if the code is expired or not valid in your country, it simply won't work. Let's say Jake is trying to buy a backpack. He finds a promo code online, pastes it at checkout, and it fails. The real issue is that the product is already part of a separate discount campaign, so Amazon does not allow stacking offers. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some promo codes only activate when you are logged into the correct account. If you switch accounts or use guest checkout, the code might not appear or apply properly. So step 1 is always check eligibility. Make sure the product page shows coupon available or promo applied at checkout. If you don't see any mention, the code likely won't work on that item. Step 2 is checking the expiry. Always verify that the code is still active. Even a few hours past expiration can make it invalid. Step 3 is correct entry. Promo codes must be typed exactly as given. No extra spaces, no missing characters. Even a small mistake will break the code. Now here's a quick fix most people miss. If a code is not working, remove the item from your cart, re-add it, and try again. This refreshes the discount logic, and often fixes hidden glitches. Also, clear one more thing. Some sellers disable external coupons entirely. In that case, no manual fix will work because the discount system is controlled by the seller, not Amazon. So to quickly summarize, check eligibility, verify expiry, enter the code correctly, and refresh your cart if needed. Most promo code issues are solved with these simple steps. If this helped you fix your Amazon discount issue, hit like, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more easy fix guides like this.